Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start by confirming which account and folders you'll delete and why. Once done, pause Onedrive sync on your device to prevent root loading. Make sure you identify important files and move backups to external storage or another cloud. You'll also want to use the web interface for faster bulk actions. It's less error-prone than local file system deletes. Proceed now to the Onedrive web folder view so you can select and manage items confidently. You'll select files or folders using checkboxes or Shift+, click for ranges and use Ctrl/CMD to pick non-contiguous items. Then choose Delete. This moves items to the Onedrive recycle bin. Don't stop there if you need space reclaimed. Make sure to empty the recycle bin in the web UI to permanently remove data. Also, check shared and manage access to revoke links or permissions, because deleting files doesn't always remove external access until links are revoked. Once you've emptied the recycle bin and removed shared links, confirm freed space in Onedrive storage settings so you know the deletion's completed. Resume syncing and verify local folders on each device align with the web view. This prevents duplicates. If files reappear, stop and check other linked devices and any backup apps that might restore content automatically. As a quick fix, sign out everywhere, remove device links, then sign in and verify the clean state. This resolves most sync-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.